Micro-Air manufactures a complete line of heavy-duty air cleaners, dust collectors, and source capture arms to clean up airborne particulate in both industrial and commercial applications. Every model is designed and tested to meet the most stringent requirements and give you the best value in the market. Now, the most versatile portable in the industry, Micro-Air's new TM1000 Taskmaster can clean up airborne pollutants all around your shop or manufacturing plant. From welding and soldering smoke to grinding dust and fumes, the new Taskmaster can clean up every job with high-capacity performance. Although highly engineered, the concept is simple. Use one high-performance power unit with a variety of available attachments to meet multiple air cleaning needs. From this concept comes the first portable air pollution control unit of its kind on the market, with the portability to move easily where needed and the versatility to handle a variety of air cleaning requirements. This versatility is provided by a wide choice of quick change attachments for various jobs, each one featuring a convenient lift-off design. You select only the attachments that are just right for you, and if conditions change, add additional attachments. Eliminate the high cost of additional units with limited uses. Just think how these attachments could work for you. Articulated source capture arm attachments are available in several sizes, up to 8-inch diameter and 10 feet long. These arms feature external support design for easy adjustment and maximum airflow. The hood swivels 360 degrees for precise positioning and comes with a protective screen. If you need to cover two workstations in close proximity, the dual articulated arm attachment is ideal. Standard size is 3-inch diameter, 8 feet long. The articulated arm attachments are popular choices among Micro-Air customers. If you need the versatility to reach into otherwise inaccessible areas, the long-reach flex hose fits your needs. This 25-foot length of hose can snake around obstacles and into tight areas, and the removable hood helps funnel particulate into the hose. Do you occasionally need a work surface that can capture smoke or dust? Just install the downdraft table attachment and enjoy particulate-free air. This portable work table is a handy addition to just about any metalworking shop. And for a pollution-free work area, merely hook on the backdraft hood attachment to capture smoke, dust, fumes, or odors generated at a workstation. With all this versatility, you simply won't find more value in an air pollution control system. But versatility is only part of the story. Let's take a look at the heart of the system, the power unit of the Taskmaster 1000. This is truly an industrial-grade unit. The high-efficiency, high-capacity 1000 CFM motor blower provides cleaning power to handle the toughest jobs. The Taskmaster 1000 utilizes easily accessible dual air filter cartridges and the exclusive RotoPulse high-efficiency cartridge cleaning system to assure that the cartridges clean your air at top efficiency. Space is provided for optional HEPA afterfilters for minute particulate control or charcoal modules to control odors. This potent clean air system is housed in a compact, portable package that maneuvers easily all around the shop floor. And one of the most unique features is that it's powered by standard 120-volt single-phase electricity. So you just plug it in, no special wiring required. Optional voltages are available. The innovative design and quality construction of the Taskmaster 1000 can mean a very quick return on your investment and a healthier work environment for you and your employees. Put it to work for you today.